Guys, I'm here with my dog, Pepper. Yes. See, say hi, Pepper. Say hi. Hi. She says hi. You say hi? Yeah. Today's a 2-hour delay. My school. It can't be a day off. Smell? Yep. It's gonna be a short little vlog, but it's gonna be with my dog. Hello guys, I am now doing the video. Yes, my name is Pepper. So today, squirrel.